All right, so that's how the match panned out, and in the end it was India victorious by 5 runs. That's going to be very crucial going forward in this tournament, because remember, it was a must-win situation for India going forward from here. We heard it from Rahul Dravid, where he had said that India has to win all the 4 encounters if they want to win the World Cup. 1 is done and dusted, still 3 more games to go. 1 will be up against Zimbabwe in Melbourne, and then India are on course to make it to the semi-final, and then we'll have to wait and watch who their opposition is in the semi-final and where they go from there. Pragyan, to you. Now let me go back. We've shown our viewers the highlights. Let's start from the beginning. KL Rahul, all of us believe that he has the talent, he can come good on the big occasion, and today he showed the kind of array of shots that he has. Look at that strike rate, look at the shots that he was playing.
Yeah, I had no doubt at all, the way he was batting in those warm-up games and the way he was timing those balls and the class act he is. It was just matter of time. That's the reason, we had Sunny sir and others, even Rahul Dravid, Rohit Sharma backing him. And this is the right time he got that much needed 50 for, this can be a tournament changing runs for him. Because from now on, every game is crucial for India. So Rahul getting those runs and, top order that we're talking about, that our openers are not been contributing, I think this will change slowly. And at the right moment, I think KL Rahul picked up, and I think that run out also will give him a lot of confidence. In the field, there are small moments that really give you a lot of confidence or get you back into the tournament or into the game. These are the moments that we're talking about. Rahul getting those runs, playing well, and then match defining run out. So I think he's back, and hopefully he'll be contributing much more than what we have seen till now.
Okay, it was a much needed knock for KL Rahul. Remember, the Indian team will need an informed KL Rahul going forward, especially about the semi-final that I talked, and then maybe before that in the game versus Zimbabwe. But it will not come down to that, because India has got the entire equation in their hand. If they have to qualify for the semi-finals, it's going to be plain and simple. Win that last game, you go through. Had India lost this game, then it would have been in a precarious position, then waiting to see what the other teams do. But that's not happening for the Indian team. That's how well they've performed here. Also, Pragyan, just looking at it, I know it's a close game. There will be some that will argue that, listen, this Bangladesh team is not as strong as the Bangladesh teams for before. We spoke about it before the match as well. But then that's the nature of this T20 cricket, that no matter the opposition, how strong or weak, more often than not, games are going to go to the last over. And I think the teams are also prepared for that.
See, first of all, I would like to say that Bangladesh, they tried really hard, but had it been a 20 over game, like full game, then that pressure of getting 180 would have been different. Because chasing 130, 140 or 150 is different, and chasing 180 is different. That's when you understand what exactly a team is and how much depth they have in their batting or bowling. So I think that's where I would like to say that, had it been a full game, we would have known where this Bangladesh team stands. But now they have given it all, but the experience of our bowlers and the way our fielders contributed, I think we look little superior than them. After Liton Das got out, he was in a good momentum. As I said, T20 cricket is all about momentum. And once they lost that momentum, you see how difficult it was for them to get back into the game.
Yeah, that's true. Once the Bangladesh team lost the momentum, it was very difficult indeed for them. I think the Indian team also need to thank their lucky stars, because tell you what, when that rain interruption happened, 7 overs had already been played, and for a legal game to happen, an official game to happen, all you need is a minimum of 5 overs. You've gone past that, and at that stage, India were behind the Duckworth-Lewis. So Bangladesh were in a position to win the game. Hi, did you enjoy the game?
It was a great game, gone down to the wire. Kudos to Bangladesh. They played really well till the end. Our nerves were kind of very, very, very strange.
All the drama you can imagine in it, right? Right from rain to thinking it will get cancelled. and then finally India won. So well done, India.
It was an amazing win. Like, kudos to the team, both to India and Bangladesh. Played really, really well. And we hope to see India in the semi-finals and then the finals, of course.
And the finals in
To lift the
Melbourne.
cup back home.
But honestly, tell me, there must have been a stage where you thought we've lost it.
Yeah, when kind of their opener was playing so well, Litan Das, he was hitting
Especially when
fours
it started
and sixes.
raining, and the run rate of Bangladesh was much higher compared to India at the same over. So,
So
we're
it
like, oh my
was, yeah,
God.
when Litan Das when Shakib got out, that was the point we thought that yes, we could win back the game, because till Shakib was there, it was that the game was Bangladesh's. But
And
yeah,
I think the bowlers and the fielders did quite
It was
well with all the
amazing,
catches.
yeah.
It was really good.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you at any point feel that India was going to lose?
No, not at any moment. It was a smart move from Bangladesh. They started well, keeping the DRS in mind. But I guess India just outplayed them. Fantastic bowling, especially Arshdeep. Whole of India, do not let him down. He is the future of India. Arshdeep! Arshdeep!
the last over by Arshdeep was amazing, under pressure, and he had been in this situation before also. But he kept his nerves, and he bowled that over despite being hit for a 4. He kept it and, made us win. So, kudos to Arshdeep on that.
Your favorite part? Kya maza aaya?
All the game, every part of the game was very nice, and especially when start of the innings, it was very awesome. But now we just want to see India in semi-finals here. We want India to win to be on the top of the table, and we are waiting to see India again next Thursday here.
All right. If India are on top of that, yeah, go ahead.
We just want to say one thing to you.
Yeah.
You want to visit here over the semi-finals,
Yes.
and we will win the semi-finals.
Okay.
You're going to visit the semi-finals of the MSG. We're going
And
to.
will you be there at MCG?
I will go over there, and we will be the winner of the final. जीतेगा भी जीतेगा जीतेगा भी जीतेगा जीतेगा भी जीतेगा जीतेगा भी जीतेगा मिलेगी भी जलेगी सबको पीआर मिलेगी जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा इंडिया जीतेगा
What was your favorite part of the match?
Kohli is the best. Kohli is the best, and in the end, the whole team came together. They
You got your money's worth. Good game.
absolutely. This has been
Melbourne to watch this match,
Oh, he came all the way.
and I've been following India. I went to Perth, I came here, and I'll go to MCG this Sunday, and on the next Sunday I'll go to MCG to watch the finals. India will win the finals. I'm sure about it. There's no doubt about
Give us
it.
a chair for India. Come on, guys.
Kohli is the best.
Thank you, guys. Have a good night.
from Texas.
Yeah. Oh, you've traveled all the way from Texas, huh?
Yes, sir.
And you're going to be watching more games. Huh?
Yeah, Morgan. Yes.
Okay. So it's worth it. He's traveled all the way from Texas. We met people who traveled all the way from Melbourne. All of them have got their money's worth. See, the energy, the party is going to continue.
India!
Come on.
Yes,
Kya maza aaya? What did you enjoy?
बहुत मजा आ गया. लास्ट मोमेंट अब सारी ट्विस्ट की क्रिकेट थी. बहुत मजा आ गया. बहुत एंजॉय किया. इंडिया! इंडिया!
They were all screaming in the stadium. The energy is still there. They're still chanting India's name, because that's what an India victory does. And especially when it comes in a very close encounter like it came today versus Bangladesh. So you saw the stadium. It was a sea of blue. Majority of the fans were Indian fans. Of course, a few Bangladeshi fans also turned up. Surya Kumar Yadav, another big favorite that I'm watching slowly and steadily. They're all emerging as the players to watch out for. Today, Sky also played a very important inning. So did Virat Kohli. So did KL Rahul. And then it was an out-and-out team effort backed by the fielding that India displayed. That India have now won their third game out of the 4 that they've played at the T20 World Cup. So the juggernaut continues. Next up will be the semi-final. You heard from a few fans. They said that they want India to top the table. I'll tell you why they want India to top the table. Top 2 teams qualify, but if they top the table, then they are going to be playing here in Adelaide, because the team that tops India's table will be playing the game in Adelaide.